I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to watch YouTube on Honda Pilot updated. Start by parking safely and setting the infotainment to accessory mode, then check for HDMI, USB, or wireless casting support. Identify whether your Pilot has a built-in browser or rear entertainment system and choose the simplest connection for your trim. I explain adapter options, phone casting, and settings you need to enable playback while keeping safety in mind. Wired connections are straightforward and stable for in-car viewing, especially HDMI, which delivers reliable video and audio. Locate the Pilot's HDMI or AUX input, then connect a compatible adapter or streaming stick directly to the infotainment system. Ensure the source device is powered via USB or a separate charger to prevent interruptions. I walk through cable routing, input selection, and basic troubleshooting so you can set up wired playback without fuss. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for road trips, keeps drinks cold, and fits in Pilot cup holders so you stay hydrated while setting up video. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Wireless streaming can be very handy, but it depends on your Pilot's features and adapters. Use a dedicated wireless HDMI or casting adapter to mirror your phone or tablet to the infotainment screen, and keep an eye on latency for video playback. If using a mobile hotspot, monitor data usage and signal strength to avoid buffering. I explain pairing steps, adapter choices, and how to optimize settings for smooth wireless viewing on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.